we just passed Acacia Road on Main Road, and we're about to turn right onto Haley's Gully Road. I think he's been to the pub, that guy, most likely. Haley's Gully, no, hang on, now we're on Yan Yean Road. Yan Yean Road. In the zone. This might be the end of the line, I reckon. Let's have a look. Might be. Might be. Yan Yean Road, passing Broad Gully Road. Corner. There we go. We're turning into... Oh, have I got the camera on? I do, don't I? Alright. Who's that? He's R1. Nice black R1. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. All the peoples of the rights are coming this way. There's a blue classic. Gee, that blue classic looks good, eh? Far out. Oh, here are the Dark Riders. The Dark Riders. Hammer. Jess and tail end. Tail end, you can go, mate. Just go. No, which way am I going to go? This way. Alright, let's do it. So we're on now. Oh, it's calculating again. Is this going to make me get home later? Too much. It's Broad Gully Road. Broad Gully Road. That's what we're on. Nice little zip, mate. Ups and downs and all arounds. Ups and downs and all around. Gully Road. Broad Gully. Oh right, the gully is broad. Wide. Wandering the landscape with a bottle, as you do. Got no idea where this road goes. No idea which way it goes. Riding blind, you know, kind of thing. Gully Road, back in the group, behind Hammer and Dipfear. How appropriate is that? Behind Hammer and Dipfear. What are the chances that happens, eh? Get behind Hammer and Dipfear again. Probably attracted to each other. The speed brings them together. Slow speed that is, because they don't speed that much. They go slow, they go really slow. Slower than me. I think I can turn my heated grips off. That's enough of that. Broad Gully Road. Nice one, Ewan. Ewan Brown. Italian bike. He's got a German bike. And going this way, you reckon? Gibson Street. G-I-P. Gibson Street. Gibson Street. I think this might be at the end of our day, I reckon. I think this might be it. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. Yeah. GPS says left, everyone's going left, it's all making sense. It's all adding up. Go open my vents, I reckon. Get some air on me. Got the side ones open, yeah, got the side ones open. Should open the chest ones. Chesty vents. Oh, they're going that way. I wonder if I should go the other way. Oh, it all leads to the same place anyhow. Diamond Creek. Yeah, it all leads to the same place anyhow. Alright, I'm going to keep going, boys. I'm going home Sukasa, mate. I'm going Sukasa.
Coming on me 21st of February.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll give you before then anyway.
Alright. Hang on, hang on. Yeah, come on, come on.
When are you seeing your daughter next?
My daughter?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Over at Sunshine tonight, there's could be fireworks and stuff for the Lunar Festival.
Tonight?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Oh.
Check it out on probably on Brimbank. Google Brimbank Lunar Festival or something.
I don't know where they are tonight. They're probably at their cousin's house, I think.
Oh man.
See you around.
See ya.
Alright, there you go. There's the story, folks. This is the end of it. Now, no, that way. Alright, sorted that out. Okay. Sunshine, fireworks. Sunshine, fireworks. You don't know what they're doing today. Alright, there you go. There's the end of the ride. And I think it'd be chill pill for me. Chill pill for me. Oh, stretch those legs out. Now we got one on the left and one on the right, blocking traffic on the left and traffic on the right, and traffic everywhere. This guy on my left is trying to get me too. Good luck with that. It's not over till it's over, eh? It's not over till I got my feet up on the couch and taking a chill pill that comes in the form of an aluminium can, typically. A chill pill, normally. Alright, well I think that does it for today. What do you reckon? You reckon we had enough? Enough footage? Oh, trailer guy's gonna block my path. Damn, I thought I had it all worked out. Oh, I'll just have to go right, I guess. There you go. Right it is. Is the light gonna change quick enough? Maybe. Yeah, nah, it didn't. It's a bike, complete bike. Outstanding machine of a four-wheel drive. That is far out. These cars are going pretty quick. Far out. Alright. There's enough scenery for today. Enjoy your day. Or your night, hey? And I think I'll bid you good day, and that'll be it for today. Did I just say that? Okay, that's enough.